a pioneer infrastructure capable of demonstrating key enabling robotic technologies for inspection, maintenance and repair of offshore wind farms. Meet the Atlantis, the Atlantic testing platform for maritime robotics. A large-scale pilot that will be installed in the Atlantic Ocean, in particular in the coast of Viana do Castelo in Portugal, will be operated and demonstrated by a strong collaboration between the research community and the industrial offshore energy ecosystem. Atlantis plays an important role in connecting the market needs and users' expectation to robotic applications from the research, technology developers and system integrators by accelerating the rollout of maritime robotic technology to end users through real-world demonstrations open to all communities. The Atlantis links several EU initiatives through R&D projects and industry-led projects to foster the rollout of robotic technology for the inspection, maintenance and repair of offshore infrastructures. It seeks a seamless progression of robotic prototypes along the TRL range by establishing an integrated ecosystem for the development, testing and real-world validation of robotic-based solutions. The Atlantis Test Center. The research and development to increase the awareness and safety of robotic systems in marine scenarios. The Coast Testbed is used for demonstrations in a near-real environment and risk assessment and management for O&M activities using robots. The Offshore Testbed is the place for demonstrations in a real offshore wind farm. The end users are responsible for the integration of solutions in the offshore wind supply chain and the analysis of impacts on long-term O&M cost structure. This offshore testbed will provide unique wind, wave and weather conditions of the Atlantic Ocean that affect the reliability, risk management, feasibility, effectiveness and efficiency of the robotic solutions. It will be used to demonstrate complex offshore operations supported by resource orchestration of heterogeneous robots in a multi-domain environment. The Atlantis. A new era for robotic-based O&M operations.